Good morning. Today is December 27th. The high is supposed to be -2 Celsius, which is 28 Fahrenheit. Today I have a couple projects in mind. The first one, all this lumber over here, ooh, all that pretty white lumber, there we go. All that is to be for a bench that's going right here. Also, a quick little project in here. These few pieces of lumber are going to be for the bathroom counter over here. So I'll get you on the tripod and I'll turn the heater back on and we'll get working. Oh, dear Lord, tight spot. So I spent the past few days at home building all this stuff. I took the measurements from before and I drew it all out. So that's why everything is ready to go. Oh geez, I forgot something back there. What am I being attacked by? Now, apparently I recorded all that without audio. Third time's the charm. So here, this piece of plywood is going to go up here like this. Have a nice finish on the front. I'm going to have a 1/4 inch piece of plywood up here, so this isn't going to look as ratty. This is 3/4 of an inch back, because when I go to put the door on, it will finish up nice and flush over here. There's 2 inches of difference here, so when the countertop goes on top, it's going to be going flush throughout. So when I go to put the 2 sliding doors in place, they will butt up on this side, or they'll butt up onto this side, into this wood. That's the plan anyway. So, that's what it looks like. for now anyway. I haven't decided what I'm going to do with the countertop yet, as in how I'm going to make it. I don't know if I'm going to do the same thing as I did with this countertop, or if I'm going to do something different. Over here, let me clean this up a little bit, and then we'll start working on the bench. See you shortly. Alright, I'm ready to get going, I think. Yeah, why not? Sure, I say that and I don't have my drill with me. Not that drill, a different drill. There it is. Okay. I like it a lot. That is awesome. Now you're probably wondering why I built it this way instead of the way I built the first one. This is where my battery storage is going to be. So when it comes to having to maintain the batteries, like fill them with water or whatever, I just lift it up and I have access to the entire battery bay. I will be drilling holes eventually through here for airflow, and also I will be caulking all these seams so no hydrogen gas can get out into the living area here. I just have a little bit of thinking to do first. A lot more pocket holes to drill in, and I'll get right back to you. See you shortly. be right back. I gotta figure this out. Something's not working. I don't know what. Well, I figured out the problem. It was simple enough. A couple of the nails went into this piece of lumber. Yeah, that's all it was. Okay, so get this back into place. Come on, everybody. Work with me here. Did it again. Oh, gotta pull it out a little bit first. There we go. Okay, still works. Excellent. So let me think about what I'm going to do next. And we'll take it from there. Be back shortly. Well, I've decided to call it a day. Well, for you guys anyway. What I'm going to be working on is sort of taking apart this bench because I'm going to paint it. And I'm also going to take apart this bench so I can paint it. Well, not really take it apart, but pull the slides out and then paint the inside, the outside, and everything that needs painting on it. So I'll paint these two things. I might actually paint that side too while I'm at it. The side of the counter. Same thing with this one. I want to see what it looks like with the white paint on it. Then I'll do a little bit of a cleanup. I really should do that every day so I don't get a major mess every time. So yeah, that's it for today. Until next time, have a good one.